guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this beautiful eye look using the Berries and Cream palette by Domonique Cosmetics. I got this when it first came out and I fell in love with it instantly, but I don't grab for it nearly enough. So today, that is what I wanted to do. So if you want to see how I did this, then let's just keep rolling. All right, so as you can see, I already have the rest of my face on. I'm also filming a foundation review today on the new Fenty Beauty, the Hydrating, Longwear Hydrating Foundation. So I'm not sure which one I'll have up first, but it'll be up. Anyways, I haven't played with this palette in quite some time. It is the Berries and Cream palette by Christian Domonique. I absolutely love this palette. The formulation is beautiful, so I figured I would create an eye look with it today. Anyways, I'm going to go in with Soft and Sweet first, and this is going to be my transition shade. I'm focusing in my crease. I'm bringing it up quite high. I'm also going to run this underneath. All right, I think I'm gonna do a bit of a halo eye. I'm going to go in with this Bitter Sweet, this light purple shade, and I'm going to start kind of building up the inner and outer corners. Now I'm going to go in with Cherry Juice right here. And again, I'm just deepening my inner and outer. Now I'm going to take just the smallest amount of Blackberry. Now I'm going to go back in with Bitter Sweet, and I'm going to kind of go around these edges where they got a little dark, and I'm just going to soften them up. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to go over the center of my lid. Now, on that same brush I just used, I'm going to go in with the shade Honey Dipped, and I'm going to use it wet. Now, back in with this little brush, I'm going to mix Cherry Juice and Bitter Sweet together. And I'm just going to kind of fan out where those colors meet. All right, for my lower lash line, I'm just gonna kind of mimic what I have going on the top. So my inner and outer corners, I'm gonna go in with Cherry Juice right here. Now I'm going to go in with Honey Dipped. Again, I'm going to use it wet, and it's just going to go right in the center of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go back in with Soft and Sweet, and this is going to go around absolutely everything. For my inner corner, I'm going to take Sugar Cookie, and yes, you guessed it, I'm going to use it wet. Sugar Cookie is also going directly underneath my brow bone. All right, now while I do a magic snap of my fingers, I'm going to finish these eyes. And eyes are done. So for my liners, the top I used the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner, and on my waterline I used this ColourPop gel liner in white. For my mascara today, I'm using the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I love this stuff. I need to get a big bottle of it. And on my lips, I wanted to keep it cool toned, so I'm using this Makeup Geek, and I have no idea what shade it is, but it looks beautiful. Anyways, let me get up close. I absolutely love this palette. I definitely need to use it more often. I totally forgot just how much I do love this palette. Yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And you know, if you want to be notified of upcoming videos, you have to hit that bell. Yeah, don't forget I have a giveaway going on, so if you want to see that, I'll leave it linked up in here. And also keep your eyes out for my Fenty Beauty foundation review, which will be up very soon. And yes, I think that's it for now. So thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a fabulous day.